Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Converting a string to an integer in Python 3.9, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python, converting a string to an integer is a common operation, especially when dealing with user input or data from external sources. Python provides a built-in function, int, that allows you to easily convert a string to an integer. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of converting a string to an integer in Python 3.9 with detailed explanations and code examples. Step 1. Getting user input. Let's start by obtaining a string from the user using the input function. This function reads a line from the user and returns it as a string. Step 2. Using the int function. Now that we have the user input as a string, we can use the int function to convert it to an integer. Explanation. We use a try except block to handle the possibility of a value error being raised. If the conversion is successful, the code inside the try block is executed. If there's an issue with the conversion, example the user enters a non-numeric string, the code inside the except block is executed. The int function takes a string argument and returns its integer representation. If the string contains non-numeric characters, a value error is raised. The converted integer is stored in the variable integer_value, and a success message is printed. If a value error occurs, the code inside the except block is executed, and an error message is displayed. Complete code example. Conclusion. Converting a string to an integer in Python is a straightforward process using the int function. However, it's essential to handle potential errors, such as invalid input, to ensure the robustness of your code. The try except block allows you to gracefully manage such situations. Feel free to incorporate this tutorial into your Python projects whenever you need to convert strings to integers. ChatGPT.